Start recording. So, hello, beautiful people. Welcome to the round number 3 of me trying to improve myself in programming. We are now tweaking the API. We are about to return the right headers thanks to a chat and chit-chat giving me advice how it's actually done. So yeah, as most of you probably know, I split all of my workouts into 5 minutes of typing exercise and 35 minutes of developing, reading, tutorial, and so on. And that will be round number 3 today, but in total that will be 622 round. Yeah. So now you know what you are up to, so let's get into it. I'll start the timer. Let's go. Okay. What do we have? I feel the error rate might be higher. Oh, that's not bad at all. 450, pretty nice. And we have a 2.5 minutes. Oh, I probably can do another one. Oh, this is long. Oh, those are comments. That's the comment. Oh. Oh, let's try. I know I'm over the time, but I will finish it. I will finish this. Oh, come on. Almost there. What? Natural. And now we are there. Oh no. No. So many typos. So funny. So much library specific kind of code with all the fancy generics. Yeah. It's just I like it because you have, well, first of all, I kind of started already tracking my progress using their metrics, right? And it has the special characters. Okay, well, that concludes our typing session. And we can go back here where I'm trying to get the right response. So I probably want to try it. And I have the post here already, but yeah. So I'll delete this. And then that is the populate doesn't exist anymore. So I can delete that. Here's post. Ingredients. Okay, so currently I'm running the in-memory database. So if I have so many tabs open, too many tabs open. Okay, I did save this one, right? Yep, I did. So by this one I'm using. This was useless. This one I'm looking at. This is funny, but by this is my page. This is the Google result. Google result. This I saved as well, right? Pum, pum, pum. Yeah, it's here. Oh, we have redeem on a background change. Oh, wow, that looks nice. Save image as, and it is 2021 or 3 20, I think 20 2349 by Quiet Riot. Here we go, and let's change that background image. Come on. Here we go. Center that. It's quite dark, so we can pop it up a little bit. Uh, 25 would be okay, I think. Okay, here we go. Looks nice. Hello, welcome back. Oh fuck, I don't like that. So that has been saved too, so I can close it. Here I was looking at the Mojito thingy. I still haven't finished reading this, and that I'm also reading. So I will save, not needed, localhost, my backend. I don't know what this is. This I want to go through as well. Okay, yeah, the IntelliJ thing that was solved. This was solved. Okay, that's enough. Let's go back to the thing which we were doing, and that is testing the thing. So I'll restart the timer. And I will try it. So this is the first one, and I wanted to look at the localhost. That was something. I forgot, but it's in the README. I have it in the README. Okay, but not on this branch. God damn it. Okay, so compare with branch, and that is README update for this guy. And is this no localhost 8080 H2 console? Okay, this guy over here. H2 console. Here we go. Okay, connect. Here we go. And now we will have a look. Okay, we'll have a look here, and we have those things in it, right? So I will go away from this and return back to my generated requests, and I will run the generated thingy. We got 200. Hold on, the response body is empty. Okay, well, anyway, we will have a look, and invisible programmer is here, but it should return stuff, right? Response body is empty. Maybe the headers. How can I tell if I got the headers? What is this? View as HTML, view as XML, view as JSON, view as text. Well, let's go try those. Press all the buttons and response body is empty. Oh, this is kind of like nicely highlighted. Well, we can use the postman. There's a Star shows me how to postman, yes, but it is an ingredient. And I will do send. And we had 200, okay. And the response raw view visualized. Am I? What is the code? Yeah, I probably have a problem in there. So post mapping ingredient, I save it. Then why it's offset like that? Okay, that's better. It's public response entity. I will tune it out down a little bit dimmer, so the code pop-ups. So here, that right isn't it if you are returning the result of created, so it's going to be an okay rather than any kind of response body. Well, it should be 201, which is where is it? It should be 201 created. Post method creates, it returns HTTP status 201 created. So I don't want to return 200 okay. I learned that today. Yeah. And I get here 200. How do I should like somehow specify response entity, create the set the status, right? Response entity set status code. What's the URL I'm posting to? It is, so if I'll have a look in here, it is the ingredients with a post. I did change it. Ingredients. And the mapping in here, as you probably know, oh come on, is also ingredients plural. Yeah, but I think I need to like somehow tell it that it should return 201. I don't know how right now. I'm using to monitor it. Okay, maybe this. The created is supposed to set the status code for. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's weird, right? let's check again. Post mapping, create. Post mapping. Well, isn't it like create URI? What is the documentation? A return URI string throw. Okay, so I will go here, and it says parsing given string. So it's gonna wrap it in here, which is then from. It's known that the given what this says class response entity. Response code, status code, entity, HTTP status code, entity. So I want to set it, right? Hey, Konishmoni, Konishmoni, that's the right pronunciation. Welcome. I would guess here it will be set. No, that's not how it works. You are create. I don't know how to set it up. Code. We'll find out. We will find out sooner or later. Get status code. How do I set status code? It's private field. Oh, it goes into constructor. Okay. So that is HTTP status. So what does the created? Yeah, it does that. You see, it is bodybuilder, and then it does. So jitter was right all along. You know, if I have a look at the definition in here, it set up the created status. Ah, I know why. Do you know why? I know why. I know why. I know why. I know why. Okay. I have to restart the application. It's running the old code. It's running the old code. That's why. Look, so I will stop it. I'll stop the application, right? You are typing that. But that's all go. That's all good, right? Because that means we are not insane. Okay, so now we can try it again. Yeah. Did it work? Did you try to turn it on and off again? No? Here you go. No, but I'm programmer. Well, turn it on, turn it off and on again. You and Ted have similarities. Oh, you know Ted? That is awesome. What am I doing? Yes. Localhost ingredients. It's still not up. It's still not up. It is up. Ingredients like that. I have a typo in there. Okay, so this works, right? Then we will have look into the database. Yeah, of course, because I did restart this. Okay, good. So yeah, go away. Run. We have those, right? So I will use this guy. I'll send a post. Yes! 201 created. 201 created. Where's the thing? Yeah, that's awesome, but I don't see the response body. I mean, you know, like it looks horrible. I should have never agreed to this. It will hunt me. The body should be empty, so that's fine. You can view the response headers. Okay, so where can I see the headers here? Headers 8. This is probably not it. I don't know how to postman. Okay, but that should be somewhere in here. Pretty raw visualize. Okay, I will try it in here. So we will put the invisible in there, and not all. I want just this guy. So I will try this. Yes. Okay, response body is empty. But here I don't see the thing. Here, response errors. At those cases, I just say, you know why? Because I'm done. That's why. Select body with the drop down. Yeah, I will try that. Body. Here we go. So, and it's number 6. Ingredients. That's awesome. That's awesome. Yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I love it. I love it. That's great. I had 2-hour investigation about Zapier yesterday. What is Zapier? I dislike personal. It's getting too complicated to use. Yeah, that's a good question. What do you use? What do you use, Ted? Like, and is there? Can I see here the headers? At the end, we have found there's an email from them that says they are going to change their return URL. So is it possible here to see the headers? Because here I see this is like what we did, right? Then this is the response. The headers are right. Oh! Okay, I'm looking at them. Yeah, well, see, you know, sometimes I don't know what I'm looking for. Yeah. I like this too. How do I do a request? Look, I can show you. You go to your endpoints, and you have this icon over here, and then you click on it, and it says open in HTTP client. So you click on it, and it will even generate it for you, you know. But this is not complete for, well, this is complete, the get, but if you want to enter some data, you have to do it. And I have it turned off, but you would probably have show gutter icon. So you would have this green arrow, so you can click it, right, and just run it, and here you get the response. Yeah. And you can also put them into version control. Oh, you can, that's nice. You can convert to from curl, which I use. Yeah, another thing which I heard, but I don't know what it is. Curl. Curl, command line tool and library. Oh, it's command line tool making HTTP requests. I see. Let's see. Do I have it? I don't. That's okay. Yeah, so it's fairly like easy. The same. I have a lot of colleagues who use curl primary, so I just click on export to curl. Oh, okay. So there is in the controller, I can do. Where do you click on export to curl? Like here. Maybe here. Ah, okay, I see. Okay, good. Convert curl to HTTP, convert to curl and copy. Edit. Ah, and this is what I have it. I have it. It is in here. I can do, you know, curl and copy, you know, and it did it for me. So, thank you. Cool. I know another thing. That's cool. So I'm really glad that we got that working. And now I want to write the tests for it, right? So the test here in the controller. So we were doing, so we have get my that, and this should fail right now. This should fail badly. So let's see. What? Why this one didn't? Yeah. Oh, I don't have the post yet. Right. It should be here. That's why it doesn't. It's something wrong with the get ingredient by ID. Yeah, and you're just saying that as I'm figuring out. Okay, so have a good night, Invisible. Have a great night in Hungary. It's a typo. Yeah, well... Oh, in Greek... I'm missing D. I see, I see. Gradient, like so, but now I will have the same in the controller. Okay, cool. So this will be the post, which will return the thing. So, okay, so when ingredient service dot save one, that was save one, right? Is the post, yes, save one. Yeah, and here I should handle like few things. It should not contain ID. To do coming essential not have ID. To do that will be it basically. And it fails. Then I should return something else, of course. So this is the curl. Here's the backend response. This we solved. And here was the definition. Okay, so that was post resource. It's new resource. It returns to 1. The URI of new resource is included in the location. If the method does some processing but does not create a new resource, the method can return status OK and include the result of the operation in the response body. Alternatively, there is no result, or if there is no result to return, the method can return status 204, no content. Okay. Right now, I don't know how to decide which one will be. Is there a standard? Like, well, they are saying there are 2 options, right? But, okay, so either I can return in the body like a message which would say it was not created or whatever. Yeah, but let's say the creation failed, you know, that's what I'm thinking about. Like, let's say it comes in here and it has the ID already, you know, and then I said like, no, you cannot save something which I have already ID. You cannot create something, object with an ID files, then you'd use 4x6. Am I reading this badly? If the client puts invalidate, oh, because I didn't read the entire thing. Holy crap, I should, yeah. Okay, I'm sorry. No. If the client puts invalid data into the why I didn't, okay. Invalid data into the request, the server should return code by the request. The response body can contain additional information about the error and like 422. Okay, what is 422? 422 response code. Unprocessable entity. Indicates that server understands the content type of the request entity and syntax of the request is correct, but was unable to process the contained instructions. Yes. The services are there to split it into multiple layers, because right now in this service I plan to have like some logic in here, right? Related problem, what is your problem? Currently there is nothing, it's just passing through, right? It's getting it, then putting it back. So maybe the logic should be in here, right? It shouldn't be in here, right? Maybe I shouldn't do, well, that is the question. Like if I do some checks or whatever, that's probably considered already a logic, right? To perform. Or should it be right here so I can see it right away? What would be the benefit of those approaches? So benefit, if I do it in here, I can see it right away. That should be validation on the incoming request itself, which is why it's not a good idea to accept the ingredient in the method. That should be validation on the incoming request itself, which is why it's not a good idea to accept the ingredient in the method, the request body here. You want an object type customized for the request. You want an object type customized for the requests. Example, create ingredient that does validation and wouldn't allow an ID to be specified. And there's another thing. Okay, I will put a pin on that right now because I'm thinking about this. That should should be validation on the incoming requests. You've directly coupled the API that you defined for incoming creation of ingredients directly to how you are storing it, which is going to become more of an issue over time. So basically what you are saying to me, if I understand, is that because here from the request body I'm using the constructors of the ingredient, right? That's what you mean by coupling the API to the create data transfer object or DTO like transfer, say. Which will only forward requests. Could you maybe like hint what could be the more issues I could get from that? Because I cannot imagine anything right now. Like why it could be bad. Create a data transfer detail. Okay, well, this concludes this round.